Hey there, Coxie here, and I wanted to make this video to share with you to get the ideas flowing of how to generate incomes while you're traveling Southeast Asia or anywhere really. But before I get into that, I want to ask you a question, and that is, you'll notice there are no subtitles on this video. I've always used subtitles, but now I'm not. I'm thinking yes, no. So what is your opinion? Do you prefer to watch videos with the words below or without? I'd really like to know so I know which way to go to keep doing it or not do it. Thank you. So now on to how to generate incomes while you're traveling. And there are three ways to do it, right? So we all see these travel influencers, digital nomads traveling around. They seem to have unlimited money, right? They're just constantly traveling. How do they make money, right? You might see their posts on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube videos. Well, how do those posts actually make money? And they may not, because it's in the background. So there are three levels of making money online while you're traveling. First one is the base level, which is getting a job. Obviously the job must require internet access, so a computer or something like that. And the most common jobs would be to teach English online, which is how I started actually, teaching English online. Right, and if you don't speak English as your first language, it could be translation or it could be admin. Anything that uses the computer that can be done off-site can be a job that you can use to earn income while you're traveling, right? So if you ever get stuck, how do I make money? How can I generate an income? You're probably not going to think of the idea yourself because you're stuck on that question. You're asking yourself that question. Let others help you. Go to the search engines, right? And the easiest way would be to go to jobs online, jobs overseas, online jobs, how to teach online, how to do this, how to do that. And I'll leave a number of links in the description about these. So I'll leave some job portal sites so you can find them and other ones that I'm mentioning. It could be how to teach English online or online teaching jobs or something like that, right? Or admin or accounting. It could be anything that uses a computer, right? The next level would be freelance jobs. So they're still jobs, but it's not ongoing like a job type of thing. You're always constantly searching for next job, where you post your skills, which could be you speak two languages, so you're doing translation skill. That's a service that you're providing. Or it could be editing videos or photos or computer programming or web design. These sorts of skills that others are looking for a job. And I'll post links to some freelance sites also. So that's another way to generate income, through skills that you have and you're offering it to the world of who wants those jobs done, right? Then the next one is to start selling, sort of creating your own business, selling either other people's products as an affiliate or your own products and services, right? So affiliate, people promote that or say that first because it's easier to get started. You don't have to create the product and blah, blah, blah. So as an affiliate, all your job is to send people to that website and you get commissions. So that's another way to start making income online. Then you go up to the top level, which is creating your own products or services. So as you, I don't know if there's people around, so I'll just keep going up and down. So as you build up your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, your experience, you can create courses or products or services around that. So let's say you're traveling more and more and more, you can start creating products or services on how to build up your Instagram page or your YouTube channel, or how to get followers, or how to get, how to travel longer for cheaper, or whatever it is, how to get luxury stays or travel, all these sorts of things. Again, anytime you get stuck, you just search the internet. And when you're at this level, the easiest would be think of skills that people want to learn, right? It could be all the way from cooking to sports, to music, to languages, things like this, right? People want to learn how to cook, how to bake, how to do all those things. People want to learn sport, I think I said next, like improve their golf swing. People want to learn music, how to play the guitar or piano, right? All these areas of things that people want to learn, right? That's where you can create products or services, memberships, courses on how to do it, and you can generate income that way. One thing I must say is people think, oh, YouTubers, they make lots of money. I'll just make lots of videos and that'll make enough income to retire or whatever. There's a website, socialblade.com, where you can search for your favorite YouTubers or any YouTuber, and it will give you a guide. Right? It's not very accurate. I don't know how accurate, but let's say it's 50% accurate on how much YouTubers make, right? There's only about 1%, if that, of YouTubers who actually make a killing or really good money doing it through the ads, right? Most don't make much money, or certainly not enough money according to how much time and effort they put into their videos. So if this is a path you want to take, and I'm taking this path, you have to love making videos and doing this, because if you're doing it for the money, it'll never happen, right? There's so much work that goes into these videos that people make. Other things that I do it a little bit differently, right? A lot of digital nomads, travel influencers, they're affiliates with booking sites like Airbnb or booking.com. I don't do that. I don't think it's worth it. A new one now is Patreon. A lot of them do that. I don't think many people are making any money out of that, or much money at all. This is my opinion. A lot of people are Amazon affiliates. 50-50, people selling their gear like GoPro or backpacks or camera equipment. Maybe they make some sales, which is worthwhile, but I don't think so. So I don't do any of that sort of stuff. I stay away from those sorts of affiliate programs because most people do it, and I don't think it's worth it. I don't think they really make much out of it. I do things more like teaching English online for myself, my own business, sorry about the sun, as well as a job. I do sort of like a freelance side, I guess, a contractor, Dada. I'll put the link down below where you can teach English online to kids in China. Flexible hours and so on. That's a good base, as well as my own website, which is the one I started with. And I also do cryptocurrency trading, where I compound my profits. I find that one of the best ways, better than an affiliate for these other things, in my opinion. So I'll put links in all the things that I'm doing, as well as all the ideas that I've shared. But anytime you get stuck with how do you actually make money, or how can you generate an income stream, there are so many ways. Just look at what other influencers or YouTubers or digital nomads are doing. Really search, go to their website. What are they offering? Get ideas that way. Anything that someone wants to learn, right? Learn how to travel cheap or for free, or get paid to travel. Learn how to get free stays. Learn how to, edit videos, or something more techie, like doing these sorts of things. There's so many different things. Learning how to cook, how to play, how to do a sport, or improve their sport, like golf swing, as I said, or how to learn music. There's so many avenues that once you start looking at those, you'll start to think, oh yeah, what about this and what about that? And you can even search them, like let's say how to improve your golf swing. Search it in YouTube or in Google, click on the links, go to their website, and you'll see, what are they selling? Oh, it's a video course. Oh, it's a membership. Oh, it's a book or whatever. Okay, so I can do 3 things: a book, a video course, and a membership. Okay, then you start getting ideas of what people are doing and how you can do the same thing on whatever the topic is that you want to do. So find something that you're passionate about, whether it be traveling or editing videos or a sport, whatever, and then look for what others are doing or how they're generating the income, and you can do the same thing, right? So there's some ideas of how to generate incomes while you're traveling. It's really unlimited. There's so many ways. I haven't even touched on collaborations with brands when you're traveling, especially as a travel influencer, or for me, focused in Southeast Asia. Now I work with hotels where I get free stays. It's not income, but I can get income from them by offering other services, and I'm not really interested in that There are so many ways to make money. You don't have to go for everything that's available. But I do videos for them or help them with, with some sort of consulting for the free stay and so on. So a free stay is never a free stay. It's a free stay where you're actually doing work for the brand. But it could be clothing brands or travel gear brand or hotels. It just becomes endless of what deals you can do with other brands, collaborations, as well as doing your own products and services. So hopefully that opens your eyes to things and ways you can start generating some sort of income. Probably start with jobs first, because it's the easiest and quickest to get into. Doing your own products and service and collaborations, you need some sort of following, but also knowledge and skill. I don't get the free stays collaboration through my following. My following's small. I do it because I've demonstrated my expertise, my knowledge in social media that I know I can help them with. So there's different ways there. One, you can do it, use your following. If you have a huge following, which to start with you don't, so then you need to develop the skills and demonstrate that so people are buying into your skills rather than your following. But there's two different ways there. So I'm rambling on a bit. There's so many ways to make money online or generate income streams. Go for it. I'll leave a lot of links in the description of all these different things: jobs, porthole sites, freelance sites, Bitcoin, where I'm learning all my Bitcoin stuff, my trading. What else did I mention? All these sorts of things. So I'll do all those links below. This is a longer video than I expected. So if you have any questions at all, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer them the best I can to give you advice or point you in the right direction. And I look forward to seeing you traveling around Southeast Asia. See you then.